Saan Group proudly presents Saan Verdante, a premium luxury apartment complex located in Sector-95 in Gurugram. Once complete, this property is sure to turn heads with its magnificent and eye-catching architecture. This is an ultra-low density project and a vehicle-free complex, uncommon in a modern Indian metropolis, resulting in significant advantages to the owners. Saan Verdante is beautifully located and well connected to the Delhi NCR region via Dwarka Expressway, Central Avenue Road and NH8. Gurugram is the most advanced and well-connected commercial hub in the nation. Known as the Millennium City, it is located just 25 kilometers from Delhi. Some of the largest national and international organizations operate out of Gurugram. The city is one of the biggest IT hubs in North India and has impressive infrastructure and connectivity. Gurugram also has its own metro, which connects its IT parks to popular locations. Saan Verdante is the only property in Gurugram which boasts of independent private terraces, similar in size to a typical ground floor front lawn up till the 24th floor, typically considered a luxury for high-rise apartments. This is one of the most impressive features and a key USP of Saan Verdante, and it also features bold new architecture. Another defining feature is the impressive and expansive Sky Lounge, which can act as a creche for kids during the day and be a perfect place to unwind in the evening. It is an ultra-low density project with only 78 apartments and 24 floors to a block. The state-of-the-art clubhouse offers cutting-edge facilities that will let you relax, unwind, and enjoy yourself. Some of the main facilities are a skating rink, an amphitheater, a multi-purpose hall, among other things like a swimming pool with infinity edge, tennis, badminton, and basketball courts. There are dedicated pet areas, a herb garden, and other features for the exclusive use of the residents. A jogging track, a cricket pitch, and a provision for a gym, cafe, and spa. The apartment complex is self-sustained as it has a convenient shopping center within the premises for daily household needs. As you enter the flat, you are greeted by beautifully crafted interiors and exquisite workmanship, which exude a bright, cheerful atmosphere and a real sense of comfort and luxury. The flat is designed to give you the sensation of being in a wide open space. This is achieved by sliding aluminium glass doors, which let in plenty of natural light and a large, well-designed living room and bedrooms. The society has 3-tier security with 24/7 CCTV surveillance.